What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I have a beautiful tweak that you must download. This tweak will add a touch ID button in your lock screen and make it easy to open your device. Unlock your device easily with a customizable lock screen button. Using the tweak is simple. Instead of pressing the home button or swiping up on the home bar, users can tap on this button that gets added to the lock screen to unlock their devices. This is an interesting tweak that changes the way we interact with the lock screen to get to the home screen. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, so now I'm going to show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Celio or whatever you are using. I will open Celio. Go to the source here and make sure to add Havoc Repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for FingerLock. And as you see, this is the tweak. FingerLock tweak, as I said, designed to add a button to the lock screen to make it easy to open your device. FingerLock tweak offers an option to personalize the unlock button displayed on the lock screen. FingerLock comes with the default fingerprint theme, but you can easily import your own images to customize the unlock button. The design and functionality of the tweak have been expertly executed by its developer. FingerLock is a versatile tweak that not only allows users to customize the theme of the unlock button, but also offers various other options. These include the ability to change the tint color of the button to override the chosen image color, hide lock screen page indicator, and change the default position of the unlock button on the lock screen. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So here in customize option button, you can select your preferred FingerLock theme and more. Here you can select which theme you wanna use. You can use the default one or create a new one or import from other users. To create a new theme, press here. You can from here create or import one. I will create one. Press the plus button to add an image. I will select this. Here type the name of the theme, just type anything you want, press done, and that's it. So this is the theme. I will select it, and as you see, this is it. It's pretty simple. Here you can use tint color. If you want to customize the colors, just swipe it left. Now you will see this button, press on it. Now you can select which color you want and change the opacity. Here you can disable or enable highlight, and in haptic option here you can change feedback level from default to light to medium to heavy. I will keep it default. Now let's go to the second option, which is configure lock screen. Here you can enable use lock screen editor. This makes it really easy to customize the tweak preferences just by press and hold on the lock screen button, as you see. Here you can adjust the horizontal offset, vertical offset, adjust the image offset, choose a button theme and more. Or you can access it by press open editor button here. In lock screen elements, you can enable hide unlock message and hide page dots. In behavior option here, you can enable unlock automatically. When you tap on the lock screen button, it will dismiss the lock screen authenticated with biometrics. And here you can hide when unlocked. This will show FingerLock only on lock screen. In disable swipe gesture option here, you can enable it if you want to remove swipe up and unlock via button. And that's all the tweak preferences. After making any changes, respring your device to save and apply the changes. So this is the tweak. FingerLock is a free tweak that adds an interactive fingerprint shaped button to the lock screen. This button can be tapped to unlock the device instead of using the home button or swiping up on the home bar. The best feature of this tweak is its fully customizable nature, allowing you to customize the button according to your preferences. Make sure to download and give this tweak a try. The repo is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.